Marking incoming emails with stars automatically ensures that important messages stand out at a glance. Here's how you can set up this workflow in ZenInbox. Go to the Automation tab and click on Create Workflow to start. Provide a name and a brief description for your workflow, such as Mark important emails with stars. Once done, click Continue. Set the trigger to Incoming Mails. This ensures that the workflow activates whenever a new email arrives. In the Logic section, select Labels. Choose the label or labels that categorize the emails you want to mark as starred. This allows you to target specific types of emails based on your labeling system. Move to the Actions section and select Mark as Star. This action will automatically highlight emails matching the selected label with a star. Save the workflow settings and click Create Workflow. Your automation is now live, and incoming emails with the specified labels will be automatically marked with a star. To verify, navigate to your mailbox and check that emails matching the criteria are now starred. This workflow helps you quickly identify important messages, ensuring you never miss a critical email. Set up your star marking workflow in ZenInbox today and make your inbox work smarter for you.